You feeding the goat? Oh, look, Kai, look, the sheep wants some. You see the sheep? You want to give him some food? I gotta get back over there. That's so nice. Oh, he's gonna get your food. Kai, hold tight. Hold tight. He's gonna get it.
Look at the little pig. Look at the pig chasing the bottle.
That's funny. You giving the goat all the food? Go give some to another animal too.